Neeraj, are we walking back home?
Yes, we'll get some exercise. Walking is a daily, common activity, one of the best forms of exercise and the easiest too. It keeps us healthy and fit. We must include few minutes of walking in our daily routine.
Yes, Neeraj, but it's quite sunny now.
That's why I'm wearing my cap and I carried yours so you could wear it. The weather is hot. It is important to drink a lot of water as this heat can dehydrate us, leaving us feeling very hot and thirsty and low on energy too. Also, we need to stay visible at all times while walking. Vidya, we should never use our phones while we walk on the road. If we need to message or answer a call, you must step aside, stop, and finish using your phone. Don't play games on the phone or get distracted by it because we may trip or land up bumping into people and annoy them, or we could meet with a road crash. So always be alert.
This street is so narrow and crowded.
Yes, let's walk at the edge of the road as there is no footpath here.
We are walking facing the traffic so we can see the vehicles heading towards us and move away from any danger if any car or bike gets too close to us. Walking in pairs is a good idea. Neeraj, could you guide me on how to cross the road?
Sure, we are reaching the zebra crossing.
Those white and black stripes warn the drivers that there could be pedestrians waiting to cross and that they should give way to cross, isn't it?
Yeah, my intelligent sister. Now, Vidya, always keep a watch on the traffic light. Cross only when it turns green, signaling pedestrians to cross. Also, look right, left, right to check if it is safe to cross. And do listen for the noise of those vehicles which are speeding from afar and coming our way while we cross. Okay, now we can cross. Let's go.
Let's get onto the footpath and walk. It's much safer for us pedestrians. When there is no zebra crossing, we can also use a foot-over bridge, skywalk, or a subway to get to the other side of the road.
When we have to cross a road with traffic moving in both directions, we use a crossing island or divider. We deal with one direction of traffic at a time. Once we are halfway through, we deal with traffic from the other direction.
Look, many children are playing around the cars. It could lead to dangerous mishaps if driver opens the door when one is running past or if someone runs onto the road in excitement and gets hit by a vehicle.
Yes, that's true. Vidya, there are times when you may step out in the dark. Avoid walking in dark, empty lanes. Walk on roads or streets which are well lit, or use a torch.
Yeah, that is true. As fun as it is to walk on road in summers and winters, the rain makes the road so muddy and slippery.
Tell me about it. Keep a few things in mind. During the rains, waterlogging makes things difficult for pedestrians. Roads and footpaths not be visible and won't know if we are stepping on hard ground or into an open manhole.
I promise, I won't get adventurous by jumping into puddles. I think it's best to stay indoors during a downpour. I will always follow basic road safety rules while walking. These small tips are so helpful.
Yes, Vidya. I enjoyed our discussion while walking back home.